G'day, welcome back. Today is a big day. I finally get to install our off-grid power system. I already mounted the battery another day off camera just to make sure it fit, and I've got the shunt for the battery monitor mounted up as well and run a couple of cables, but I'm going to be showing you how I hook up the rest of it. There's the inverter, a DC to DC charger with the solar input, and also a battery monitor. So I've gone with all Renogy brand products. They're priced really well, and online you seem to see quite good reviews of this gear. So let's get to it. On top of the battery there, all the wires will run nicely along. So I guess the next step will be to get the battery monitor in. It's going to get mounted right on the end here between the switches and the temperature gauge, so we'll do that next. Yeah. It'll go. Alright, that's never coming out ever again. Nice. So you can see there it's working. It's taking a reading of the energy we're using. As you can see, it's using 2.8 amps. That is the backlights on the tailgate. So I'll get back to it tomorrow, and hopefully the inverter can go in tomorrow as well. We didn't have the right size cable for that today. Alright, so this morning I have been and got the correct size cable to put the inverter into the car, so I'm going to get on and put that in. Got power, so I'm going to test it out now and see what it draws from the battery. So seeing as now we have 240 volt power in the van, I'm going to use that with the vacuum cleaner and give it a vacuum and see how much I use. So you can see that used approximately 5 to 6 amp hours. It was drawing down at about 84 amps, so the battery would last just over 2 hours at that rate. I'm hoping to use an electric kettle and an air fryer when camping, so it should be able to supply the power we need. If you got this far in the video, thanks for watching. Really appreciate if you like and subscribe, and take it easy, have a good one. Till the next time. If you've got any questions about today's video, put them in the comments and I'll answer them for you. And I'll put a full list of the gear that I've put in the description as well. Thanks.